How to write your first book. A step-by-step guide for young authors. Have a story idea in your head? Today we will turn that idea into a simple book plan. You do not need to be perfect. You only need an idea, a character, a problem, and the courage to start. Step 1. Choose your book idea. Pick the idea that makes you excited to keep writing. Ask yourself, what do I love reading? What problem could happen? Your idea could be a secret library, a kindness club, a robot that will not listen, or a missing notebook. The best idea is the one you will actually finish. Step 2. Know your reader. Who is your book for? Little kids, older kids, or teens? A book for younger readers usually needs simpler words, shorter scenes, and clear pictures. A book for older readers can include deeper feelings and bigger problems. When you know your reader, your book becomes easier to write. Step 3. Create your main character. Give your character a name, an age, a dream, a fear, and something that makes them special. A strong character is not perfect. They grow during the story. For example, Mia wants to win a writing contest, but her notebook disappears. Now we have a character, a goal, and a problem. Step 4. Build the story problem. Every good story needs a problem that matters to the character. The problem could be a lost item, a secret, a contest, a fear, or a challenge. The problem makes the reader wonder, what will happen next? No problem means no page-turning story. Step 5. Plan the beginning, middle, and end. In the beginning, introduce the character and the problem. In the middle, make the problem harder and show the character trying to solve it. At the end, solve the problem and show how the character changed. Beginning starts the story. Middle tests the character. End solves the problem. Step 6. Choose your book type. Your first book can be short. Finished is better than huge and unfinished. You can write a picture book, short story, chapter book, comic book, journal style book, poetry book, or adventure story. Choose the format that fits your idea and your reader. Step 7. Write the first draft. Your first draft is allowed to be messy. Do not stop every minute to fix everything. Set a 15-minute timer and write one scene at a time. You cannot edit a blank page, so fill the page first. First draft means get the story out. Step 8. Add details and feelings. Details help readers see, hear, and feel the story. Instead of saying, the room was scary, describe the dark, cold, silent room. Show feelings through actions, thoughts, and body language. Details make your book feel real. Step 9. Revise your book. Revision means improving the whole story, not just fixing spelling. Read it out loud and listen for confusing or boring parts. Ask yourself, does my story have a clear beginning, middle, and end? Does my character have a goal? Good writers revise. Step 10. Edit and polish. Now fix spelling, punctuation, capital letters, grammar, repeated words, and missing words. Make sure character names are spelled the same way every time. Read slowly to catch mistakes. Editing makes your book look professional. Step 11. Create a title and cover idea. Your title should make people curious about the story. Try using the character, the problem, the setting, or the big surprise. Then sketch a cover with colors and images that match the story. Closing. Start your first page today. Your story matters, and your voice matters. Do not wait until everything is perfect. Begin with one page. Save this guide, share it with a young author, and start writing. Your first book starts with one sentence, one idea, one character, one page at a time. Young authors, write your first page today.